It's hump day, Wednesday. Who knows what that sounds like. Anyway, I'm down at the shed and I thought I'd do a little bit of whippersnipping at the front of the tunnel. And I caught Vasily here earlier. He was dropping off some stock because there's a lot of orders, and I promise I'll probably send out confirmations. As soon as I set eyes on all the stock, I'll send out confirmations to everyone for the Vasily's outlet and Vasily's orders. And he was here and he said, just do a little bit and in the front and you'll do the rest. So, thank you. So he should be here at the end of the week. He's gone radio this weekend, 3AW, so we may get a visit. He's going to confirm with me closer to the date. So we might have Vasily here on the weekend. I'm sure we will. So I'm just not sure which day or if it's 1 or 2 days. So some good news and bad news. What do you want? The bad news first or the good news? I'll give you the bad news and then we'll end off on the good news. So the bad news is, turn the camera around. I'm sure you might see some little gaps and some pots that are no longer there. 2 apple trees. My daughter's rose is in the back there. What else was missing? The strawberry plants. What have we got? Oh, all my daughter's little flowers that she was trying to bring back to life, and she was about to repot them into the next size, so she was very disappointed. The Adelaide tomato that I had here that I was hoping to collect seed for everyone. The Roma tomato, we've got what's missing one, and anything that was in the baskets over here. And over here we're missing T2, so Rob, T2's gone. I still have T1, but T2's missing. And you'll notice that one of the big Malaccas with the big tomato growing on it is missing. The beefsteak that had plenty of fruit on it is missing. And I can't even think what else. Anything that was in a basket carryable, and I think I lost some tools. So a bit disappointing. I just can only think that they were that desperate. I don't know, how desperate do you have to be to steal someone's tomato plant? Yeah. Bad news is this self-sown cherries, seen better days, so I'll have to clean that up. So I took it out of the tunnel. Now for the good news. The good news is we got some signage. You might have seen that in the post, my post yesterday. So looking good. Yeah, looking good. I'm happy with that. And now I did pick some zucchini early and I forgot them here when I was here this morning. So I'm getting them nice and young because I don't like them when they're too big or too lot older. There's too many seeds. I know it has a different taste to me. These beds are doing well. And once Vasily comes on the weekend, we might do some. We might. I don't know if he. Look, there's so many orders. I don't know if we'll get a chance to. You'll probably inundate me on the weekend. But I put weed gunnel. I got Dad to put the weed gunnel into this bed, ready to fill. And we'll put something in there for, I don't know, maybe what can we sow this time of year? There's a lot of things, but anyway, we'll think about it and we'll decide later. The peppers are coming along really well. I haven't pinched, I haven't done any pinching or anything like that. And I'm bringing in, I've got a new product I'll be bringing in, but that's still to come. We'll end up cleaning up all here and wood chipping all around the front, so it's a nice entrance for everyone. And yeah, I'm just going to end on that note. So a bit of bad news, a bit sad. I'll just hope, I don't know what I hope. I'm going to reserve what I think. I don't think it would come across nicely on socials. So I'll end on blooming seed sign. Cara and I are slowly packing more and more seeds, but you can go to organicgardenselections.com.au for the website, and Vasili'sGarden.com for anything of Vasili's brand products. We're all here at 1368 Heatherton Road, Saturday and Sunday from 9 to 1 p.m. See you then.